Hello students, let us start a new chapter today, that is polynomials. And you already know polynomials is the second chapter in class 9. So anyway, we have finished up the chapter 1 number system. So we are getting into the new chapter polynomial. Okay. Before getting into the polynomial chapter in detail, let's know what is an algebraic expression. Why I am talking about algebraic expression is, and there is a relation between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. And about algebraic expression, you already learned in previous classes like 7th and 8th. Okay, let us see what is an algebraic expression once again. That is recapitulate what we have learned in class 7 and 8. Okay, so let us see the definition of an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a expression built up from constants, variables and other arithmetic operations. Okay. So an algebraic expression is an expression built up from constants, variables and other algebraic operations. Here if you see, let us see one example here which we have already taken here, that is here, this is if you see 5x is a term, and 3 is also a term. 5x is one term and 3 is another term. These are the two terms, and these two terms are operated with an operation. What is that operation? Minus. So two terms operated with an operation minus subtraction. So this is totally 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3 is called an algebraic expression. Here in this, if you go to further details, so this x is called variable. X is called what? Variable. And this minus 3 or 3, if you talk about only constant, this is nothing but constant. Okay. And what about this 5 then? This is multiplying with the variable x, and we call this as coefficient. Okay. We'll call this as coefficient. So an algebraic expression is an expression. So what we have to say? An expression. Algebraic expression is an expression. Algebraic expression is an expression built up from constants. What are constants here? This one. This is a constant. And variable. What is the variable here? This x. This x is a variable. And algebraic operations. What is the operation here? Minus. These are the three main things that we have to observe in an expression. Okay. What it should contain? Constants, variables and arithmetic operations. Okay. Or algebraic operations. So like when we take another example, 3x minus 2xy plus 3. Let us see plus 3. Let us see this example. Okay. What is the example? 3x square minus 2xy plus c. This is the given example. In this one, if you see, 3x square is a term. 2xy is also term. C is also term. How many terms are there? 3 terms. What are the 3 terms? 3x square minus 2xy plus 3. These are the 3 terms here. Now, what are variables? In this, what are variables? X is one variable. X is one variable. And y is one variable. These are the two variables in the given example expression. Okay, expression in the given expression, the example variables are taken as x and y. Okay, and what is c? C is nothing but a constant. C is nothing but constant. Now what about these symbols? These are nothing but algebraic operations. I think now you are clear with what is an algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? An expression built up from constants, variables, and algebraic operations. Okay, and I have given two examples. What are the two examples? 5x minus 3 is one example. The other one is 3x square minus 2xy plus c. Okay, when we talk about 5x minus 3, 5x is one term, 3 is another term. Okay, these two terms are operated with an operation subtraction. That's why it is totally 5x minus 3 is an expression. What are variables in this? X is a variable. What is 3? Constant. What is 5? Coefficient of x, because it is multiplying with the variable x. Okay. Next, other example is 3x square minus 2xy plus c. This is another example. Now in this one, what are the terms? 3x square is one term, minus 2xy is one term, plus c is one term. These are the three terms. Okay. What are variables in this? X is one variable and y is one variable. What is the constant in this? C is a constant. What is the coefficient of x square? 3, because 3 is multiplying with variable x square. Here, what is the coefficient of xy? 2. What is the coefficient of y? 2x. What is the coefficient of x? 2y. So this you already learned in class 7 and 8. Okay. Now let us see what is the relation between an algebraic expression and a polynomial. Okay. A polynomial is an expression. So here it is. A polynomial is an expression. So all expressions are polynomials. Correct or not? No. That will come to know in the next class. So all polynomials are expressions, but not all expressions are polynomials. That in detail we will discuss in the next coming classes. Let us see what is a polynomial first. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, that involves operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and this is more important. Okay, non-negative integer exponent of a variable. So non-negative integer exponent of variable. Now let us see one example. Here already it is given x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay, this is the example given. So can I say this is a algebraic expression? Yes. What I told you for an algebraic expression, an expression built up from coefficients, constants, and variables with an algebraic operation. So in this all whatever we discussed in the previous example, that all we have here. So see, x square, x is the variable, and 4 minus 4 is the coefficient of x, plus 7 is the constant. So these are all x square, 4x and 7 are operated with some algebraic operations. Okay, hence this is the expression. So when coming to the polynomials, a polynomial is an expression. So it is an expression. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables. What are variables in this? X is the variable. And coefficients. What are coefficients? Here there is no coefficient for x square. We are not aware, we didn't see any number before x square. So we should assume it as 1. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 4. Minus 4 is the coefficient of x. What is this 7 indicates? Constant. That involves operations of addition, subtraction or multiplication. It can be either addition or subtraction. it not necessarily be both the operations should be included in the expression. It can be either subtraction, multiplication, or addition. Whatever it is, any one operation should exist. Okay. And a non-negative integer. And a non-negative integer. Okay, now see, what is the variable here? X square. What is the exponent of x here? 2. Is it a positive integer or negative integer? You can see clearly it's a positive integer. Okay, non-negative, positive integer in the sense non-negative integer. Minus 4x plus 7. Now if there is no power for 4x here beside it, so we have to take this one as 1, and it should be positive, clear. So hence we can say that 2 and 1 are non-negative integer exponents of the variables. Okay, hence we can say that x square minus 4x plus 7 is a polynomial. What if variable contains negative power? Then it is considered to be not a polynomial. Then it is called not a polynomial. That's why it's very important to remember this last statement. What is that? Non-negative integer exponent of a variable. Variable should contain positive power or positive exponent only. It should not contain any negative power, negative exponent, or negative fraction or positive fraction also, because we already wrote here non-negative integer. Non-negative integer. If the question is given x power 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 11, is it a polynomial? No, because this is fraction, or we can say rational number. A non-negative integer, it should contain only integer part, not a rational number or negative number. Clear? Hence we can say that this is not a polynomial and this is a polynomial. Okay. Once recapitulate what we have learned in what we have learned about a polynomial from the beginning. Okay. Now let us see what is a polynomial. Again, once go through the definition. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables. Consisting of variables. I am taking an example. Ax square plus bx plus c. Consisting of variables. Here x is one variable, okay, and the coefficients. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. If there is no constant, we should take it as a 0. Let us say 2x square plus 4x is given. There is no constant is given here, but we assume that there is a constant 0. Okay, that's why it's not mentioned in the definition also. That involves only operations of addition, subtraction, or multiplication. If you see this example, there is an operation plus. Okay, and non-negative integer exponent of the variable. What I told you, what is a variable here? What is a variable? X is a variable. What is the power of x here? What is the exponent of x here? 2. What is the exponent of x here? 1. So these two are called powers of the variable, and those are non-negative integer exponents. Hence ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. Okay.